Hey guys, Alan from Three Leg over here. Today we're just going to take you through our camping gear, what we carry on the bike. So we've got our Touratech waterproof roll top bag, exo mesh skeleton for security. The padlock locks in to these things, clip in, the padlock locks in there, so when you undo that you can't actually pull it through until you take the padlock off. We've had this 10 years, never leaked. They're an awesome product. You pay for it, but I think you can pick these up $250, something like that. So these are our mattresses, Cedar Summit, Comfort, XT. They're rectangular, awesome bits of kit. They're insulated with a double layer, so you blow up one side and then blow up the other side. The bag acts as the pump, so you don't have to carry any pumps. Couple breaths of air in it, and they are quite good. So we use the Denali 500 Capsule sleeping bags, rated down to -4. We zip together so they form like a double bed basically. So in the really cold weather, we've got a double silk inner liner, put it inside the mattresses. They've got stretch panels on either side, so when you roll over during the night you're not pulling it around and getting caught and everything. Really good, act like a electric blanket. Bridget's pillow, little Cedar Summit blow up one, she's quite comfortable with it. Mine, self-inflating Black Wolf, which I like a bigger pillow and a little bit more comfort, so that's mine. So our tent itself, so we've had quite a bit of experimentation with tents over the years. This one here, Sky Gazer, we took to Europe initially, trashed it. This is a new one, we're going to give it another crack. The thing we like about the Sky Gazer one, it's a full length tent, not with a separate vestibule. The vestibule is part of the tent, so you can put your gear and everything inside, doesn't get wet. It's ideal for us. So our cooking set, so you got little frying pan. We've tried it once, it's okay, does seem to stick a bit, so we're not fully comfortable with stuff yet, so we may change that one. The pot's really good size for two. Kettle, boiling the water and stuff. Okay, so we've got our Audi burner, which seems to be as good as some of the other ones we've seen. Into the gas canister, the feet to keep it steady. We've used this a couple of times, it's pretty good, like boils water okay, cooks okay, you don't get hot spots and stuff, so we're still experimenting. As we keep going, we'll let you know how we go. So, plates, just the fold up ones, they've also seem to work pretty good. Fighting gear, good length of rope, good for washing lines, other bits and pieces. And lastly, for inside the tent, our light has got a middle one, outside one. We always carry the batteries out of it, put them in when you want to use it so you don't drain them. It's pretty much our camping gear and how we roll. So thanks very much, hope you get something out of it. Cheers.